Now to start off with our kawaii drawing of Bloop, let's begin with the mouth. So let's start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up, and then we're just going to come down like this. Next, starting here, we're going to go out, and we're just going to curve this line and connect it to here. Next, we're going to make some pointed teeth right across the top. We're just going to go down and up a few times. Then we'll do the same thing down here. We're just going to make some pointed teeth right across here. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. We're going to curve it down to here. Then let's just draw a line that's going to curve around and up to here. We'll make a little bump here. Then we're just going to curve this line up and down. Next, we'll curve a line here. Then for the flipper, we'll draw a little line that's going to come out and back up. Then we're just going to come up to here. We'll make a little kind of like moon shape right here for the tail. And we'll make a little curve line right here for the other flipper. We'll draw a little line here for part of the mouth. Then right here, we're just going to make a circle for an eye. We'll make a circle here and then another small one here, and we'll just kind of color right around it. We'll do a little line right here. Then we'll do two little dots here for the nose. Then we'll just make one and then two curves for the tongue. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon, cute, kawaii version of Bloop. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.